ink is dropped onto a blotter and the radius of the circular stain is increasing at 0.1 centimeters per second. We want to find the rate of increase of the area when the radius is 0.5 centimeters. If we call the radius r, we know the area for a circle is pi r squared. So dA dr will be equal to 2 pi r. We're given that the radius is increasing at 0.1 centimeters per second. That's the increase of the radius with respect to time. So dr dt is equal to 0.1. We're after the increase of the area with respect to time, which is dA dt. And forming a chain, that's equal to dA dr times dr dt. Look at these as fractions, the dr's would cancel. dA dr is 2 pi r, and dr dt is 0.1, so we have 0.2 pi r. We're interested in when the radius is 0.5, so dA dt will be equal to 0.2 times pi times 0.5, and calculating this gives 0.314 centimeters squared per second, correct to 3 significant figures.